Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix screen is too dark issue on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S25 and you're facing the issue that your phone screen is too dark, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try is just open your settings app, and you can see that I have almost maximized my brightness, but my screen is still too much dark. So I'm gonna open my display settings here and just make sure that adaptive brightness is disabled. Then just go back, go to battery, and in the battery you have to make sure that you haven't enabled your power saving mode from here. If you have enabled your power saving mode, it will minimize your brightness to reduce of battery lagging or battery issues. So you just have to simply go to settings after disabling power saving if you're still getting the same issue. So you can go to accessibility section here, and accessibility go to vision enhancement. Just scroll down, you will see the option of extra dim. You just have to disable this. So once I disable, you can see that once I have disabled this extra dim, screen is in lot or has at most maximum brightness from here. Now basically it happens when you have accidentally enabled this extra dim option, so your screen goes to dark. So you can try to disable this first, and then you can readjust your brightness on your behalf. So in this way you can easily fix if your screen is too dark. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.